Okay, so mga lason, we're now trekking no towards the hanging coffin. So we always see that on TV. The Sagada Modern Cemetery. Kasi mahangin dito. They seldom use candles. Instead, they use wood, no? Masukita na yun. So, ito yung viewpoint, no? Para sa hanging coffin. But no! Talagang puntahan natin ng malapitan yung hanging coffin. Going to the hanging coffin gets about 30 minutes. Depende sa pace natin, mga kahilason. So, 30 minutes going there and 30 minutes going back, depending nga sa pace, no? But anyway, mahangin dito, malamig, so no problem